it is almost trying to cut a new inlet through here. See, the water is all the way up in there. Where I pulled the boat up in the marsh, it was chest deep. And usually, these sticks right here are normally about 25, 30 feet out of the water at high tide. So this right here shows you just how high that tide is this morning. It's chewing this beach up. Got a strong north to south longshore current. So I'll probably have to walk a couple hundred yards up the beach, and then I'll be back to here in no time, the way it's running. But it's like there's some decent waves. Well, there is a north to south longshore current. Once you get out past the initial break though, it's not too bad. Oh boy. Woo! Woo! Yeah, boy. That's the biggest waves I've seen all damn summer. Uh-oh.